Today I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 15 reads as follows. Here is a calculation. 31 times by 84 equals 2,604. You can use the calculation to help answer the following questions. 15a. Work out 2,604 divided by 84. This is 31 because when you're dividing by a number, it's basically what number do you multiply that number to get that number you're dividing by. So part B is work out 3.1 times by 8.4. And as you can see, both numbers are 10 times smaller. So in total is 100 times smaller. So we do 2,604 divided by 100, which gives me 26.04. Part C reads as follows. Work out 31 times by 85. And since we have the answer for 84 and we're multiplying it by 85, we would add it's the next multiple of 31, so we would add 31 to 2,604, which will give us 2,635. Like and subscribe for more.